Hey you guys, YouTube, back here with another video, this over the hedge anime, and I'm so sorry that this video is kind of late. I'm making this around 9 something, and I'm sorry about that, so because I had to take care of homework and doing other things and studying for a bit test tomorrow and stuff. So yeah, but anyway, I decided to do this unboxing. Today's video is going to be a little random and different today. It's going to be unboxing. I'm unboxing this game. It finally came in. I got it sooner than I thought I was gonna get it, but that's all that matters. It came early, so let's go ahead and get this unboxing started. This one thing I hate about unboxing. Trying to get this open. Crap. Trying to open this with one hand. This is really what gets annoying. Yeah, you guys. So as soon as I can get this open, the faster. This unboxing gonna be pretty long. I'll let you know that right now, off the bat. So, no freaking out. Hold on, you guys. One sec. Almost got it open. Yes, have a break. Okay, got it open. I'm sorry about that, you guys, how long it took for me to get this open. But that's the only bad thing I really hate about unboxing. And yes, here it is. Ratchet Clank, a cracking time for the PS3. Yes. All you 360 boys out there that got this game right here. I'm not going to be, please don't send any spoilers or anything. Anyway, let me go ahead and just unbox this. Go ahead and get this open. Yes. It's opening. And this is what we have. Ratchet cracking time. Yeah. I want the limited edition, but things just didn't work out the way I wanted to, because the prices were just ridiculous on on the internet, online. So I had to just go ahead and deal with getting this one. Yeah. Huh? All that unboxing that I just did, and it's all I got. That's why I want the limited edition. contents, controls. She's talking about control. I know you guys don't really care about all this stuff like this, but my blaster runs hot. Yeah, nothing really interesting in this. Uh, Anyways, yeah, that's the game. You guys see it, so yeah, just leave comments on what you think about this game. So yeah, I don't know if you're not a fan of Ratchet, but I'm going to just try it out. And in this video, you will not be seeing gameplay. Probably one of my other ones if I decide to make one, but just stay tuned, for more videos. Alright, so rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Alright, bye, see you.